How to remove friends on Snapchat. You can easily remove someone from your friends list in just a few steps. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Tap your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner. Scroll down and select My Friends. Here, you'll see all the friends you've added on Snapchat. Now, find the friend you want to remove. Once you've found them, tap and hold on their name. From the menu that appears, select Manage Friendship. Next, tap Remove Friend. Confirm by tapping Remove again. After removing the person, they will no longer appear in your friends list. Depending on your privacy settings, they may still be able to view certain public content or send you friend requests in the future. And that's how to remove or delete a friend on Snapchat. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Snapchat tips, tricks, and tutorials like this.